Alright, here's how you get paid on Clickbank. So if you go to settings and payment settings, this might look empty for you. So here's how you actually get paid. So you want to go to accounts, and here we're going to select the account that we use to earn our commissions. So I only have one account and it will take you to a completely new page. So from here, what you have to do to get paid is go to account settings, which is this option right here. So click on account settings. And then right here, as you can see, we have the option for payment information. So payment information, to the side, we will have an option to edit. So click on edit and you have to set up your information right here. So you get a direct deposit or check and the frequency of how often you can get paid. Also your bank country, as well as the bank name and IBAN, all of that information. You have to set it up right here if you want to get paid. So basically that's how you do it. The setting is kind of confusing, but you have to go through your account and then to account settings and then write your information here so you can receive your money directly into your bank account. So that's how you get paid. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.